Tonight, the ongoing security operation in Kapedo, Turkana County, has taken a new twist after Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i issued a Gazette notice to extend curfew hours in the volatile area. The order has been issued as part of government efforts aimed at rooting out bandits in the county who have been blamed for the death of at least 2 security personnel and 6 civilians in the last few days. KTN News' Timothy Otieno opens our broadcast tonight with that report.
Nearly a week since security agents descended on the volatile Kapedo Trading Center in the county of Turkana, and the government is tightening its belt even more in efforts to apprehend persons it terms as rogue residents, threatening peace and security of the community here. Local leaders have been pushing to have the state scale down its ongoing security operation in the area.
So fighting has broken out.
But Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i promises to do the exact opposite.
We have postponed that problem for a long time. It manifests itself as a cat rustling problem, but clearly it's a criminal activity that is supported by some groups of people in that region. We have decided as government we are not going to postpone that problem again. We will sort it out once and for all.
That warning has been backed up by a Gazette notice issued by the Ministry of Interior Monday evening, extending curfew hours in Kapedo area, which has now since been classified as a special operation zone. With more security boots on the ground, the dusk to dawn curfew will now run from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in Kapedo, even as the government dismisses concerns by humanitarian aid groups that the high tension in the region has hindered delivery of essential food items to those who have fled the area for fear of victimization.
I am not aware of any humanitarian crisis in that part of our country. We have maintained all our security teams on the ground. Those are our citizens. We are dealing with them, we are helping them. We are only ridding them of the criminals that have made life miserable to them.
Kapedo has hit the headlines over insecurity nearly every year over the last decade, with banditry and community tensions at the border between Turkana and Baringo. The latest tiff instigated by the death of a police officer early last week before what many termed as retaliatory attacks that led to the mysterious death of 6 civilians.
A few years ago, those thugs killed 42 of our police officers. Then later on, they killed 21 of our police officers. Then recently, they murdered more police officers. We cannot continue to play hide and seek with criminals.
The Ministry of Interior remains tight-lipped on the success of the ongoing operation. No information has been divulged on the number of guns recovered so far or whether or not anyone has been arrested over last week's bloodbath. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.
Religious leaders now seem to be taking keen interest in Kenya's politics as the country heads towards the 2020